Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by prepping like a pro. Remove oil, push back cuticles, and lightly buff the surface so chrome bonds. Once done, apply a dehydrator and a thin, even primer. Make sure it never touches skin because that causes lifting. Next, place your Gel X tip or lay a thin builder base coat over the natural nail and shape quickly. Cure according to the product, typically 30 to 60 seconds for LED. This ensures a smooth foundation for chrome to adhere evenly. You now build and fine-tune the nail profile. Add a second thin builder layer where needed and fully cure for strength, usually 60 seconds or more. Once cured, file the shape using 180 then 240 grit, refining the free edge so chrome sits flush. After filing, buff the entire surface to a consistent matte, not too rough, not glossy, because chrome needs micro-texture to adhere but smoothness to reflect. Make sure dust is removed with a brush and alcohol wipe. You finish by using a thin no-wipe top coat and curing it completely. This creates the tack-free base needed for chrome. Once cured, press chrome pigment into the nail with a sponge applicator or silicone tool, rubbing firmly in one direction until you achieve a mirror finish. Do not overwork or heat the pigment. Finally, apply another thin no-wipe top coat to lock chrome in place and cure fully. If lifting or peeling occurs, lightly buff the edge, cleanse, reapply primer, and reseal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.